Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create modern abstract squeezy filled background design in Adobe Illustrator. Please watch entire tutorial. Draw a circle shape with ellipse tool. Graded fill. Left side graded slider color R255, G255, B0 and the right side graded slider color R255, G0, B255. Go to Object menu and Blend options. Spacing specified steps 1000. Again go to Object menu and Blend and make Alt Control B. Draw a horizontal shape. Fill color gradient. Angle -45 degree. Select shape and go to Object menu and lock and selection Ctrl 2. Ctrl 2. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Use pencil tool shortcut N to draw a shape. Use smooth tool to make smooth line. Select shapes and go to Object menu and Blend and replace spine. Select shape and right click and arrange and bring to front. Select shape with direct selection and rotate shape. You can make different circle shape with blend. Go to Object menu and Arrange and bring to front. You can rotate shape for variations. Select shape and right click and reflect. Select vertical. Unlock Alt Control 2. Draw a horizontal shape and select shapes and right click and make clipping mask. Finally, your modern fluid background design is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create modern 3D background design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.